Hi folks, Kevin Marino, CEO of Asirvia, here to talk with you about our extremely generous compensation plan. You see, we are a direct sales company with amazing services which are sold through two different sales channels. An affiliate sales channel and also a network marketing channel. First, I'll cover our affiliate program, which is ideally suited for those who are mainly interested in selling our Go services directly to their own customers. As an Asirvia affiliate, not only do you have the opportunity to purchase our amazing Go services, but you also have the opportunity to market those same services and get paid to do so. First, Asirvia will provide you with a custom link for you to use in your marketing. That link will allow customers to purchase the Go services directly from Asirvia while you are compensated. The compensation is very straightforward. As each sale is made on your custom link, you'll receive a direct sales commission of 25%. But that's not all. Every time your customers renew their subscription each month, you will also receive a 10% direct sale residual commission. Taking that even one step further, if you happen to find another person who would also like to be an affiliate with Asirvia, you will receive a 5% monthly override on all their customers' renewals. That's right, 10% on your own personal customer subscription renewals and 5% on the customer renewals for all affiliates you personally refer to Asirvia. Earned commissions will appear instantly in your e-wallet within your personal Asirvia Business Center and are available 7 days to use within the Asirvia system on your own personal Go service renewals, or you'll be able to transfer your earnings to your very own Asirvia branded prepaid debit card as you see fit. It's important to understand that affiliate programs containing both direct sales commissions and also direct sales residuals are indeed very rare. But here at Asirvia, we believe they're well deserved. Our second sales channel is ideal for those who want to use our Go services, not only to produce personal sales, but to build teams and create leverage as an independent representative and a member of our independent representative program. At Asirvia, we refer to them as IRs, and it is only available to those folks who produce results. As an IR, a person must make and maintain a minimum of 3 retail sales and have at least one active affiliate within their first 90 days. Anyone not able to complete or maintain these very simple requirements within their first 90 days and beyond will be listed as an affiliate and have the ability to raise themselves back to IR status as soon as they meet the requirements, which again are pretty simple: 3 active retail customers and 1 active affiliate. IRs have full access to our entire Asirvia compensation model, which is broken down into 4 distinct sections. It's important to note that all commissions will appear in your e-wallet located within your personal Asirvia Business Center and are available in 7 days. The first section is direct sales commission. The IR making or referring the sale receives a 25% direct sales commission, plus upline IRs receive a 10% match to that commission for 5 generations of sponsorship. As your teams grow, so do your direct sales commission. Think about this as an example. For every $100 sale, you make a 25% commission. So that's a $25 direct sales commission. As your team begins to make those same sales, you receive a 10% matching commission for 5 generations. That would be a $2.50 match rolling up to you as your team makes new $100 sales each day, week, month. The bigger your team, the bigger the potential matching pay. Section 2, direct sales residuals. As monthly subscriptions are renewed each month, IRs will receive a 10% residual on all personal sales. That's not all. They will also receive 4 more generations of residuals of 5, 2, 2, and 1%, totaling 5 generations of subscription renewal commissions. All right, section number 3 is one of my faves. All right, it's daily base pay. Many people are familiar with the term base pay. It usually refers to a fixed amount that an individual receives on a weekly or monthly basis, and then based on other criteria, they can earn additional money. Very common in direct sales industry. At Asirvia, we absolutely love this concept, but we have taken it a step further. Instead of monthly or weekly base pay, we've converted it to daily. Why? Because we feel that if you work hard, increase your team sales, and advance in rank, why should you have to wait an additional week or month to get an increase in your base pay? Right? Exactly. You shouldn't have to wait. So we literally adjust your base pay on your current qualifications each day, from $1 a day to $4, $10, $20, up to $100, $500, even $3,000, and eventually we will even add more levels when it becomes necessary. So think about it this way. Increase in rank equals an increase in your daily base pay. Now, if the daily base pay didn't excite you enough, we have done something nobody expected. Section 4, we're offering a 5-generation matching bonus. Wow. I know, right? It sounds good, but what the heck does that mean? Think about this. As you hit the very minimal level of associate, you'll begin to receive a 25% match on all your personally sponsored IR's daily base pay. Whatever their daily base pay is, you will receive a 25% match to that amount each and every day into your e-wallet. You are now fully invested in your team's success. To take it a step further, as you climb in rank, you'll begin to earn a 10% match on your second generation. And as you continue to climb in rank, there are 3 more generations of 5% matching commissions. To give you the vision of what this could mean to you, how many potential check matches you could possibly receive, think about this. How many people will you refer? How many will they refer on average? How many will they? How many will they? You're talking 5 generations. So based on your efforts and that of your team, this number could be big. It could be huge. As I've said many times, it's completely up to you. Lastly, we have a special bonus to help IRs get off to a quick and smart start. It's called our Go-Getter bonus. It's broken up into 3 stages, and IRs can earn 1, 2, or all 3 of the stages. Many companies have a 30-day fast start bonus program. Asirvia has a 30, 60, and 90-day go-getter bonus that pays $500, $1,000, and $1,500. It's possible to earn all of them for a total of $3,000 within your first 90 days. Asirvia's very lucrative compensation plan and bonus structure are powerful and fair to IRs of differing abilities, finally leveling the playing field for those wishing to be true network marketing professionals. If you have additional compensation questions, please refer to our Asirvia website, the Asirvia corporate Facebook page, tune in to the Asirvia leadership calls, or check in with a team leader for further clarification. I'd like to thank you for taking the time to review this groundbreaking information. At Asirvia, we're here to serve our customers, our affiliates, and our independent reps, and arm them with cutting-edge proximity marketing solutions designed to increase exposure to any business, whereby assisting in that business's growth. It's what we do.